Question 10. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the ninth step. In question 1, the monkey reached the water level, that is the ninth step, by moving 3 steps down, 2 steps up. Like this sequence, it reached the water level. Now the monkey is in the water level, that is on the ninth step. Now, the second question. After drinking water, he wants to go back. He finished his drinking water, so he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. So now it is changing the pattern. That is 4 steps up, 3 steps down. Like that it is moving. So in how many jumps will he reach back the top step? That is the first step. From ninth step, the monkey is moving 4 steps up, 2 steps down, again 4 steps up, 2 steps down. Like this, the monkey is moving to reach the topmost step, that is the first step. So let's see the answer first through number line. 9 steps. At present, the monkey on the ninth step, that is the water level. After drinking water, the monkey wants to go back. How it is moving? He jumps 4 steps up, that is from ninth step. How it is moving? 4 steps up. Directly it is jumping 4 steps up, then 2 steps down. It's not jumping step by step, directly 4 steps up, then 2 steps down, 4 steps up, 2 steps down. Now the monkey is on the ninth step. So now 4 steps up. 4 steps up mean 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 4 steps directly it is jumping from ninth to 5th step. Directly with single jump it is jumping to reach the 5th step. That is 4 steps up. Now the monkey is on the 5th step. Again 2 steps down. The monkey is jumping 2 steps down. Now the monkey is on the 7th step. Again 4 steps up. From 7th step is moving 4 steps up, reaching 3rd step, then 2 steps down. Now on 5th step. Then again the monkey is moving 4 steps up. Now did it reach the topmost, that is the first step or not? Yes, now the monkey is at the first step. So let's count the number of jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many jumps did the monkey take to reach the first step, topmost step? 5 jumps. So let's see the solution through integers, positive and negative integers. The same question we are solving using integers. Let's consider steps moved down or represented by positive integers. Steps moved down represented by positive integer. That is how many steps moving down? 2 steps. This 2 we are taking as positive integers because it is given here. Let's take the steps moving down as a positive integer by positive integer. So this is plus 2. And then steps moving up. Steps moving up let's take as negative integer. So this 4. 4 steps up. No, this one we will take as negative, minus 4. So this 4 with the negative, that is minus 4. Steps moving up with the negative. Steps moving down with positive. Okay, initially monkey is sitting on the ninth step at the water level. So in first jump, the monkey is appearing first jump will be at the step from ninth step, moving 4 steps up. So 4 steps up we are representing with negative. So we are adding here because why we are adding these values? We are going to count the total number of jumps. So 9 plus of minus 4. The monkey from ninth step, it is moving 4 steps up. That 4 steps up we are representing with negative. So 9 plus of minus 4. 9 minus 4 equal to 5 steps. That is after completing the first jump, the monkey is on the 5th step. After completing the first jump, that is 4 steps up, the monkey is on the 5th step. Then again second jump, next jump it is taking second jump from 5th step, 2 steps down. The monkey is moving 2 steps down. So that steps down we are representing with positive, that is plus 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. So after completing the second jump, the monkey is at the 7th step, on the 7th step. Then in third jump from 7th step, again 4 steps up. So with negative, subtract 7 minus 4, 3. So after completing the third jump, the monkey is on the third step. Then in fourth jump, 3, that is from third step, 2 steps down with positive. So fifth step it is coming. Then in fifth jump, from fifth step, 4 steps up. It is going 4 steps up. So 5 plus of 4 plus of minus 4, 5 minus 4, 1. So after completing the fifth jump, the monkey is reaching the first step, that is the topmost step. So monkey took 5 jumps to reach back to the top step, that is the first step. In this third question, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, now they are giving like the steps moving down we are taking as negative, steps moving up we are taking as positive. Represent his moves in part 1 and in 2 by completing the following. So now if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative and the number of steps moved up by positive integer, then the first one they have given in part 1, they gave minus 3 plus 2 minus etc. equal to minus 8. The answer is minus 8. So now we have to complete this given sequence. See the pattern. How did they give the pattern? Minus 3 plus 2. It is continuing. That means minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3. Like that it is continuing. The pattern is continuing. And you are getting the answer as minus 8. So let's equate this left hand side and right hand side. So now minus 3 plus 2. You simplify this children. Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2, unlike subtract 3 minus 2, 1 and the greater number sign minus 1. So minus 3 plus 2, if you simplify this, you will have minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2, if you simplify, you will have minus 1. So now see, I am continuing the pair. We are continuing the sequence, this pattern, minus 3 plus 2, again minus 3 plus 2, one more pair. Again minus 3 plus 2, another pair. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2. Now listen, this pair, first pair, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Another minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till this plus 2, you will get, there are 5 minus 1. If you simplify, leave this minus 3 children. If you simplify this, you will have minus 1. Then we are writing minus 3, the next pattern minus 3. So now if you minus 3 plus 2 for this pair, minus 1, like that 5 pairs you are simplifying, you are getting minus 5. Then minus 3 alone you take, minus 5 minus 3, what will you get? Minus 8. So let's stop, we need not to take plus 2 here because here they gave the solution as minus 8 only. If you add plus 2 here, if you add plus 2, if you simplify this full value, you will have minus 6. But here they gave minus 8 only. So let's stop with this minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2, this is a pair. One more pair you are including like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. Minus 5. Then only minus 3 you are including. So you will have minus 8. See, when you simplify, you are getting minus 8. Actually, here in this, what did they say? Negative integers. Moving down is represented by negative integers. Then mean this minus 8. What does the minus 8 shows? Monkey moves in part 1 represent monkey is going down 8 steps because down, moving down is represented by negative integer here. So the monkey moves down, that is 8 steps moves down because negative integer. So let's see the B question. 4 minus 2, another sequence, another pattern, 4 minus 2 plus etc. The same pattern we are continuing, and you are getting plus 8. So now 4 minus 2, simplify 4 minus 2 and like subtract greater numbers in 4 minus 2, 2. So 4 minus 2, 2. One more pair let's include, another 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2. Now 4 minus 2, 2. This 4 minus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. And we need answer only 8, no children. So again we are placing just plus only. We are not writing minus 2. If you write minus 2, if you simplify, you will not get this 8. We have to equate this right hand side value. To equate this only, we have to include the patterns here. So now 4 minus 2, 2. Again 4 minus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Then plus 4, enough. That minus 2 not required. So now if you simplify this, you are getting 8. Now this 8 is a positive. So moving up, steps moved up by positive integer. So the monkey in part 2 represent monkey is going up 8 steps. Positive, no? So it is going up. First question negative, so it is going 8 steps down. Here it's going 8 steps up because positive integer.